Hey, what's up YouTube? Alien Rides here, and today there's going to be a bit of a change of scenery. We're down south a bit at the Coyote Creek Trail, and we're going to do a little group ride. Should be a pretty good time. I've got the GotWay Monster again today, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the GotWay Monster and why I love riding it so much, what I use it for, that kind of stuff. So subscribe and let's ride. Alright, so we're just riding this little trail here. I think it's about a 15-mile ride there. We're riding to a brewery and a 15-mile ride back. So not the longest ride, but a pretty sizable ride. And we're probably gonna stop and charge for like a couple hours there. Also get some food, things like that, just hang out. The Monster I'm riding with large 1845 watt-hour battery could totally make the full 30-mile ride, no problem. So let's keep on rolling. So I usually ride in the city, which is a lot more hectic, a lot more cars. This is really refreshing to get out of the city on a nice big trail. I don't have to worry about cars running me over. Don't have to worry about getting doored, no lights. So definitely a really cool place to ride. I should do this more often. So I don't use the Monster to commute too much. It's just a little too big and there's no trolley handle. So it's kind of a pain to commute with and to bring it into shops and stuff. I much prefer a bit of a smaller wheel like my GotWay Nikola. I think the Tesla also makes a great commuter. Maybe the M Super X. But the Monster for me excels as a nice vehicle for cruising and filming on. So I use it both as a pleasure vehicle and as a utility to make group ride videos. And you've probably seen some of my group ride videos, they're pretty popular. It just allows me to get some really smooth shots. And I carry a gimbal, so it kind of looks like this when I'm filming. I've got this GH5S camera and the Crane 3 Lab gimbal, and it's a pretty heavy setup, pretty heavy and expensive setup. So if I drop it when I'm riding, it's gonna cost a lot of money. So I want something that's super stable at speed. The large 22-inch tire really helps with that. So like I said, the Monster is just super stable at speed. It's got this large 22-inch tire, just goes over bumps of these. You can totally off-road with it and get some air with it. It's awesome for that. It's not as nimble or responsive as a smaller wheel though. So something like the GotWay Nikola or the M Super or the Tesla is gonna be more responsive, better for tricking, better for acceleration, going up and down hills, things like that. But for what I use it for, cruising, it's super stable at speed. Some people say it's like the Cadillac of electric unicycles. Just got to the brewery.
Awesome, thank you, bro. Everybody plug in and start charging up. I brought extension cords and splitters.
You're prepared. You got this nice little drone too. Can we get some FPV footage later?
Yeah.
I love the eyes. Those are necessary.
Of course. How else is he going to see where he's going?
They got a lot of beer here. A lot lots of beer. Wow. All right, guys, time for a quick little barbecue lunch break here at Trail Dust Barbecue. Let's go check it out. This is my buddy Tim. He also shreds in the GotWay Monster. Why do you like the GotWay Monster?
I like the GotWay Monster because it's a comfortable cruiser. It eats up all sorts of terrain that would normally be rearranging my feet on the pedals. And so it lets me have fun and widens the envelope of what I can do. If you're aggressive with it, you can use it just as well to go off-road and do trails.
Sick, sick. And so you also got a YouTube channel and you got some videos on there too, right?
Yeah, I got a couple on there.
All right, yeah, definitely check them out shredding. I'll leave the link in the video description. We're gonna get red.
Awesome.
All right, guys, we just finished up at the brewery. Got some charge, got some beers. And now we're back on our rides. So I love the Monster as a tool of choice for videography and filming. The big tire just lets me film with confidence because the ride is so stable. And even if I hit a bump that I don't see, I'm able to recover and keep filming. And the footage is still probably gonna be smooth because the tire is so big. So when you're filming and trying to keep something in frame, your eyes are probably not glued to the road as much as they would be if you're not filming, because you're constantly looking at the camera, looking at the road, looking at the camera, looking at the road. So having that stability in a wheel is just super important and awesome. All right, guys, that's all we got on this episode on the GotWay Monster Electric Unicycle. Just wanted to join this group ride and talk about the GotWay Monster a little bit, show you how awesome this electric unicycle really is. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. We'll see you all next time. Peace out.